Now, I promised you guys 5 charts that I thought were pivotal that I haven't really gone over before. So we're going to get right into that right now, and then we'll get into some crypto. We're going to get into some gold. Don't worry, I'm still going to cover all of that stuff. So first chart here is the chart of McDonald's. McDonald's, by the way, classic educational piece. Look at the M top here. All right, does that look familiar to some of you crypto investors and traders? That is almost identical to what happened to Bitcoin before it fell off the cliff. Now we're seeing Bitcoin do much like this. Maybe McDonald's is a little further along, but these M tops, and by the way, does anyone get the parody there? M top. All right, anyways, hopefully everyone gets that. But my point is, again, is that here on the chart, what we can clearly see, look at the bounce in the chart. Where is it taking us back to? Right to this level, which is what we know as the scene of the crime. Okay, so again, if I do a quick zoom out on this chart and we just pop it out here a little bit, look at how far this line goes back. In fact, I have to go back all the way back here. Look at this. So you're going back to the lows of March 2020. All right, let's slap a trend or circle that line. We then take it to this pivot low right here, and ultimately we broke down, and now we're retracing into that level. Would you go long or would you go short on this trade? And the answer should be, it's number one, extended. It's into former support, which is now resistance, and you would expect McDonald's to check back. And remember, everything I'm talking about is probability based. So there's nothing 100%. There's a small chance that it could just go straight up here. But the probabilities dictate you should have some sort of pullback. So I thought that was a cool chart to kind of show you guys on the McDonald's side. Chipotle, got to look at this one. Now, this one's a thin stock, so this is tricky. But look at this. If we go on the Chipotle chart and you go back to the bull market high on this stock in 2008, right, or 2007, you take a trend line, you extend it. We're literally talking now, what, 14 years to the highs of 2021, pullback, highs of 2022 to 2023, and look at this move up right into that high. I know that's hard to see because I'm zoomed out. I will zoom in for you guys so we can see it a little bit more accurately. But look at this here. Now, one of the reasons why this is one of my favorite chart setups for a short, again, be aware it is a thinner stock because it's a $2,200 stock. But what I love about this is the time count factor. This is something that I teach in my courses. The time count is extremely powerful. And basically what you have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And what we know is 7s occur in nature, in human psychology, in written books that are thousands of years old at the very least. That number 7 is key. And if you look at charts, oftentimes that adds fuel to the potential for some sort of check back on the chart. So you got this weekly time count, likely tells me that probably by mid to late December, early January, you start to see some sort of pullback on this chart.